Oh no, I have lost all my data. My hard disk has crashed and all my data is gone.
I'm so sorry that you've lost your data. Many have gone through this as well. Meanwhile, there is a solution. This can be the last time you'll experience this if you act now.
And that's the truth. If you act now, you have no cause to lose data. You would say goodbye to data loss.
Now here we are. This is our desktop. And as I've always advised, if you have the need to save anything on your desktop, create a folder called temp. And in this folder called temp, that's temporary for short, always store whatever you want to keep on your desktop inside this folder. Let's open our Windows Explorer. This is it here. Good. Go to your PC, this PC. There is it. Now, usually you will be having only drive C. In my case, I've partitioned my drive C into 2, so we have C and D. Now, this is my backup. This backup, I've opened it. There is it. And it's empty now. So this is what you're going to do. This is an empty backup you have brought into the system. You're backing up your files into this hard disk. This is your external hard disk. Okay. Now, the first thing you do is to go to drive C, open it, double click on it. Then you go to users. This users. Okay, users. You double click. And this is my profile, Dr. Ada. You double click on it, your profile. That means the name with which you log into your system all the time. That is the user login name. This is it, Dr. Ada. I'll double click on it. Good. Now when you get there, these folders, the common folders, you have the desktop, okay, you have the pictures, you also have videos. You now move them to your documents folder. These documents, okay. So let's come there. Go to the desktop. That's it. Right click on it, and you click on properties. Properties of the desktop. This is the desktop. Okay. Then you go up to the location tab here. Okay. Then you come here, you see move. You can see what it's saying now. It says you can change where files in this folder are stored to another place on this hard drive, another drive, or another computer on your network. So this is our desktop, okay, desktop properties. We want to move the content to another location, which is our document. So click on this, move. You come here, click on documents. You see that? Click on select folder. Okay, then you click on apply. Click on yes. Click on yes. That's it, it's doing it. It's moving everything on the desktop to that documents folder. Why are we doing this? We want to make sure that anytime we want to back up our system here, we just select only one folder, which is document, and we back it up to the other external hard disk. After that, you click on OK. The next thing, after moving the desktop, okay, is to move your pictures. Where I click on the pictures, go to properties. Okay. Click on the location tab here. Click on move. Okay. Click on, you select documents. Click on select folder. Okay. Click on apply. You can see that. Click on yes. Click on yes. I don't have more pictures in my pictures folder. It's done. You click on OK. After that, you can go to videos. Right click on it. Okay. Click on properties. Okay. Then I go to location. I go to move. I click on the same documents folder. Okay. Click on select folder. Click on apply. Okay. I want to move all of them to that location. Yes. Yes. That's it. It's moving all my videos into documents folder. Now, after moving them into your documents folder, this is your documents folder, okay? So documents folder. After moving the contents into this documents folder, the next thing you want to do is to synchronize your documents folder, okay, with the external hard disk. After moving your videos, okay, your pictures and your desktop into the documents folder, if you watch, you won't see the folder called video. But whenever you store something into the videos folder, it will come in here. Okay, everything you have saved in the video folder, it will come in here. Whatever you save into the desktop folder will come into the documents folder here as well. Okay, so anytime you want to back up your system, you just back up the documents folder. Then after that, we download and install the FreeFileSync software. We're going to synchronize our files from the computer to the external hard disk. The software is called FreeFileSync, and there's the website. Okay, so please remember to donate. Okay, they have a feature there where you can donate, where you can say thank you, okay, to them for using the software. And even there is a version that is given to those that donate, okay, to them to this work. So it's a free software, and they solicit your donation to keep the good work going. To use it, you will now synchronize your documents folder, okay, with your backup hard disk. Now you go to the website, go to FreeFileSync.org and download the software. I have it here already. Okay, so I'll go to my system. I come here. Okay, I come here. There's it. FreeFileSync. I click on it. Here's the software. There's the software. There's it. So you open here, this point here. Click on this. There's the setting. Click on this. Then on this point here, select update. You want to be updating what you have on your current system, okay, with update it on the external hard disk. Okay, so click this update. You can have two-way too. This two-way means what is on this hard disk is on this hard disk. Meaning if you save something on this hard disk, okay, that is the newest on your backup, then it's going to bring it back, okay, give a copy to your original. But I don't like all these ones. I just prefer the update. All I need is an update. So I just select this update, okay, and click on OK. Good, you can see it, synchronize update. Then on my left is what is the original file, the original document, my development hard disk or my development folder. That's what should be on your left. So click on Browse. Okay, I'll come here, I'll click on Document. You can see that. That's it here. That's it here. Click on Select Folder. You have it here. You can see that. Then on my right, I'll open here, click on Browse. Okay, then this is my backup. I'll select the backup, and that's it here. Okay, click on Select Folder. So I'm now backing up my data from my documents, okay, folder onto the backup. Okay, you can just say compare. Click on this first, compare if you like. You can see this is everything I have in documents folder. This is updates. After that, you just click on this. Because it's empty here, click on Synchronize. You can see the data, click on Start. What it's doing is to copy everything I have inside my documents folder right there into the backup hard disk. It's backing up my data now. Backing up the data, that's what it's doing. You can see it's 9%. That's what it's doing. So this is how to back up your data. The next day you work on your system, okay? You work on your system the next day, you just go back and synchronize. It will only then copy the files that have not been copied into your backup drive before. So it's just a minimal amount of data is going to copy. So it's going to take a very short while. Within 1 to 2 minutes, you must have finished the synchronization. So this is how you back up your data all the time. With this, manually back up your data so that there is no need to say you have lost your data, because before you shut down your system, you must have synchronized your development hard disk, your development files with the backup. You can see the percentage. It's almost there. It's almost there. Did you hear that sound? That was it. It's complete. Click on Close. That was it. With this, everything that is currently in your documents folder will be what? Synchronized, backed up to your F drive. Okay, so let me close it. Now, if you are using two hard disks, just like me, I use two hard disks. Okay, I have the development hard disk and the other. I have the development hard disk and a backup hard disk, so that it's not possible to lose the two hard disks at the same time. While I use the system, okay, while I use my laptop, while I use my desktop, okay, I have one hard disk where all my work is domiciled. And that hard disk, I also synchronize it, back it up to the other hard disk. The essence of this synchronization is that you don't need to be carrying out backup from the beginning to the end. It's just the additional files that have changed that you are actually backing up to your other hard disk. I have the first hard disk, which is the development hard disk, and the second one, which is the backup hard disk. So let's treat this case. What I'll do, let me show you first of all the configuration of my directory. Windows E, you can see that this PC. See, so here I have YouTube, okay, YouTube, which is the primary hard disk, while this is my backup hard disk. You can see this YouTube backup, this is YouTube. Now what I want to do, what I do normally, I back up from that. I do that every day. Once I finish the work for the day, I'll back it up, I'll synchronize to my backup hard disk. So this is it, I have it here. This is the software here. Okay, I just click on it once. Okay. On my left, I select the primary hard disk, which is development hard disk. I click on Browse. Okay, this PC. I want to show you here. You can see, this is my development hard disk, the primary hard disk. Click on it, you will see it there. Click on Select Folder. You will see it, that's drive I. Then on the right, you click on this Browse, where I'm taking it to. Okay, when I'm backing it up to, click on this. Come down, this is YouTube backup. Click on it once, okay. Click on Select Folder. Okay, so that is from drive I to drive J. Click on Compare. Okay, so this is the difference, okay. You can see the difference. Then click on Synchronize. Okay, difference in the files, okay. This is what I have here that has not been copied to my backup. So click on Start. You can see that. So this normally a short process. It's gone. It's done it. You can see that. Click on Close. And that's all. So you've successfully backed up your data for the day. Make sure you always do this before you shut down the system anytime you work on your computer. If you're using only your laptop, if your laptop crashes, you get it on your backup. Provided at the end, before you shut down, you back up on your data. If you have two hard disks, it's not possible for the two hard disks to get destroyed at the same time. And make sure at the end of the day, you have another third hard disk. If you are using only one hard disk, have another hard disk where you back up maybe once or twice in a month and keep it in a different location. Okay, shouldn't be in that same building, so that in the case of any form of eventuality, you won't lose everything. Okay, maybe once in a month or once in 2 months, you have another extra hard disk. Okay, and it should not be located in your same building. It should be given to somebody else. Okay, either in the office or anywhere you feel that it's not in that same building. You keep that final or the third backup there. Either the second backup, if you are using only one here, or the third backup, always keep it outside where you live. And with that, you have no reason to lose your data. Just go and practice it, and at the end, you will see that you have no cause to lose data anymore.